Okay, next. So, week one, lesson three. It's about giving instructions. Why do you think giving instructions are important?
Giving instruction. I think it's important because we use it in our everyday life. Sometimes there's people who lost, and then they will ask us questions. So giving proper instruction can be helpful.
Okay, that's a good answer. And if you're gonna work in, you mentioned you're taking a virtual assistant training. If you're gonna work as a virtual assistant, 90% of what you do is giving instructions. If you're gonna work as a call center agent, 90% of what you do is giving instructions. If you, I don't know how you help out in your family business, but if it's a family business, I presume that you're in a management position. If you're managing other people, 90% of what you do is also giving instructions.
Giving instruction.
It's all giving instructions. And how well you give instructions will determine how easy your job is. If you're good at giving instructions, your job is going to be easy. You're asking people to do things for you. If your skill at giving instructions is bad or poor, then your day is going to be filled with headaches, right? We're going to go through your answers, so please read week 1, lesson 3, how to commute to the nearest mall.
Okay. How to commute to the nearest mall. So I live in Barangay Pasig.
Sorry?
That's my province.
Yeah, go ahead. Please continue.
The nearest mall is 1 kilometer away. From my house, I have to cross the street. I have to go to Barangay Hall because there's a tricycle queue there. I have to wait for a cab or a tricycle to get from my home to the mall. From my barangay, the travel time would be 15 to 20 minutes. You have to pass by so many landmarks, such as the food plaza and marketplace, the city hall and the people's park, the port which is near the boulevard, the basketball court, and the rodeo arena, where the competitions for rodeo festival happen. After a 15 to 20 minute travel time, we will arrive at the mall. The name of the mall is Gaisano Mall. The name of the mall is in the big billboard beside the mall.
Okay. So let's review your instructions. So you mentioned I live in barangay, name of the barangay. The nearest mall is 1 kilometer away from my house. I have to cross the street. I have to go to the barangay hall. So you cross the street, go to barangay hall, and there's a tricycle queue. I don't know how to get to the barangay hall. Is the barangay hall visible from after you cross the street?
Yeah,
You'll see it.
Here at my
Okay.
house.
So yeah, you can just include that sentence there. Like you can you'll see barangay hall after you cross the street. Go to the barangay hall. Uh, there's a tricycle queue there. I have to wait for a cab. Capitalization. Cab should be small. To get from my home to the mall. From my barangay, the travel time. So there you go. Another capitalization. The travel time would be 15 to 20 minutes. So these should be words. We have to pass by so many landmarks. Landmarks are small, unless you're talking about the landmark supermarket, which is a proper noun. Such as the food plaza and the marketplace. This isn't a complete sentence. The complete sentence would be, um, wait, uh, okay, so instead of using such as, you will pass by the food plaza and marketplace. Alright, I'm just gonna highlight this green so you know that we already changed it. The city hall and the people's park. Um, this isn't a complete sentence. So, same, you'll pass by you'll pass by. You will pass by the city hall and the People's Park. You will pass by the port, which is near the boulevard. You will pass by the basketball court and the rodeo arena, where the competition for rodeo festival happens. The rodeo arena is where the competition for rodeo festival happens. So yeah, this will complete your sentence. All right. So when you write your sentences, it has to be short and simple, but it also has to be complete, right? Your sentence
Okay.
needs to have a subject, a verb, and the doer of the action. All right. After a 15 to 20-minute travel time, no S, we will arrive in the mall, at the mall. So you take a tricycle going there and you'll pass these landmarks, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The name of the mall is Gaisano Mall. The name of the mall. Okay. Yeah, fine. So, yeah. And then you might have noticed I highlighted a bunch of words yellow, right? What's the first word that you see?
Hello?
Hello. What's the first yellow word that you see?
The. The.
All right. It should sound
I
like
have how to
the.
get it.
The. So it has a th sound. All right. So it's the. How to commute to the nearest mall. All right.
Yes.
Are you still there?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Cool. So the next word is also the. So we're gonna focus on that on session two. On session two, we're gonna go through pronunciation. So please watch all the pronunciation videos on the page. All right, when you get to session two.
Okay.
Um, the travel time would be 15 to 20 minutes. We have to pass by so many landmarks. Um, you will pass by the food. Can you read food plaza,
Where?
food plaza?
Food plaza.
It's food plaza.
Food plaza.
Yeah. So we're gonna practice the F sound on session two. Next, the word is rodeo.
Rodeo.
Very good. So yeah, that's it. Next, please read activity 4.